guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be trying two things. This says guilt-free on it, but guilt-free skinny whip double chocolate snack bar, less than 99 calories. Like, my mom gave us it and I was like, okay, maybe I can make a YouTube video of this. And if you wonder why I have my dressing gown, it is literally 9 o'clock at night, and I'm like, and I'm so cold. I just have put my candle on, and it's like an orange candle, but like it's turned pink because of the milk slush. And the other thing that I'm going to be trying, the snack bar, right? Well, I've just showed you the snack bar, and then this Vimto remix thing. Like, I've never had this before, and I've seen it at IKEA when I went in the Network Centre that day. I did not know about these, and the meatballs from there are lush. Right, anyways, right, let's try this. I'm gonna get a bit off. Oh, so melty. Ew, what is that? What is that bit, man? Why is it so stretchy? It's like a marshmallow. Like, oh. Very nice. I could taste the chocolate now, but I still don't know what that thing in the middle is. I got a thing in the middle. I don't know what. That is horrible, that middle bit. Can't even eat that, man. It's horrible. Anyways, let's see if this is nice so I can wash it down. So Vimto Fizzy Remix, and it's raspberry, orange, and grapefruit. I know, passion fruit, even not grapefruit. I was like I've seen it in IKEA, and I was like, maybe I can have a, maybe I'll try this for you. Like, maybe I can try this for a YouTube video. I knew I bought this, but I didn't know my mom bought them. So I knew I was going to do this for a YouTube video, but I didn't know. I forgot all about it. Solve. Listen to that face, man. Oh, I'm scared to try it. Like, it's nice, but it's sour. Like, it's like bubblegum squared with passion fruit in it. It's lush. But it's raspberry orange and passion. I think you should go buy that. It's nice. In 2 minutes, I will show you my candle that I got from IKEA today. Right, so it's like this orange candle. Like, it's from over there, it looked pink, but it's not. Look, I'm not lying. I did get it from IKEA. It's just backwards, and it lasts up to 40 hours. And yeah, it's just really good, and I would just burn myself. I've only had it on for a couple of hours and it'll blow out. But yeah. I love candles, man. The smell. But anyways. Maybe I could do something else for you. No, I can't think of anything. I'm obsessed with his drink stuff. Right, I'll just read it out for you. It says, seriously remixed blend of refreshingly fruity raspberry, orange and passion fruit. A delicious vimto taste sensation. Low calorie fizzy mixed fruit juice drink with flavourings and sweeteners. Store cool and dry, contains naturally occurring fruit sugar, zero added sugar. Reference intake of an adult. Suitable for veggies. Vegetarians. Yeah, boom. I hate my hair. But seriously, go and buy this. Oh my god, it's so nice. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it is not. But it's the best thing in the world. No, it's freaking not. Really not. Do buy it, because you might like it, you know. But in my opinion, it's horrible. So, well, no, took it away. Bye.